Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the video. My name's Courtney. Today, we're going to be talking about how you can start digital marketing today as a complete beginner in 2025. So, I'm going to go over a couple of things with you. That's why I'm doing this video so that you can watch it and then replay it and do step by step by step. Okay, so first, let's jump into the video. Why I start in digital marketing is because I want to pay off debt. I want to help people. I want to see other people succeed. I want to be able to go on vacation. You know, the list goes on and on. You need to find your why. Why are you watching this video? Why do you want to make more money? Okay. Then you need to find what's called your niche. And that's the category in which you're doing digital marketing. Do you want to do pets? Do you want to do cooking? Do you want to do fitness? Do you want to do health? Do you want to do dog toys? Do you want to do whatever it is that you're passionate about and can talk about all the time? Obviously, mine is make money online. So my niche is make money online. So next, you have to pick a program that you want to promote. Now, I wouldn't suggest ClickBank products or products like that, okay? Because when you promote ClickBank products, it's not really that you've gone through the course and you know about the course. You're just promoting the course because it seems like a quick sale, okay? But really, that's not ethical, in my opinion, because you need to be able to go through the course, talk about the course, tell people about the course, give people ins and outs of the course, to actually connect with them and make a sale. So the course that I promote is called Create Faceless Wealth, and it either teaches you two things or you can do both. It teaches you how to create a digital product faceless or promote products faceless. Okay, so it teaches you how to start a Threads account, a Pinterest account, Instagram account faceless. Okay, you can also do what I'm doing and do a YouTube channel faceless, but they don't teach that in there. I just like YouTube. I've been good at YouTube. I've seen success. So that's what I promote. So Create Faceless Wealth is the program I promote, and it does teach you the ins and outs, and we do have a great community. So you'll do your introduction, okay? Your fast track to selling CFW. If you can watch 5 to 10 minute videos, guys, you can do this. 0 to your first sale. Okay, this is a new module because this is a new module that I'm going to have to go through because it's the first time I'm seeing it. The basics, BossBot, which is our AI tool into ChatGPT. Purpose driven, like I said in the beginning. What is your purpose for starting digital marketing? Who are you going to help? I want to help people that are stay-at-home moms, that are working a 9 to 5, that are sick of living paycheck to paycheck, that want to pay off debt, that want to go on a vacation, that want to not have to look at their bank account when they go to the store. This module will teach you how to understand your digital products. You need to know how to understand digital products and what they mean and what's entailed. That's why I don't condone just going to ClickBank and trying to sell a product, because people like these walkthroughs. They like the beginner's guide. They like people walking them through step by step instead of just putting a product up on the screen that they don't believe in just to make a sale. This course is going to teach you how to build your brand. That is very important. How to create a digital product if you'd like. Okay? How to design a Canva website. How to design your own sales page. Branding and design corner. Your faceless Instagram if you want. How to plan your content. Your content strategy on what you should be posting every day. The Insta Story success system. The trust factor. You want to build trust, just like you're watching this video from me. You buy from people you like, know, and trust. So you want to build that trust factor. Magnetic copy and sales messaging. The buyer's journey, DM mastery to sell in direct messages, the trust funnel. Now, let me say this in the description. I do have a free digital marketing guide as well as a sneak peek to create faceless wealth. If you want to grab those two, they're completely free. And then you can make an educated decision on whether this course is correct for you if you're thinking about going into the make money online niche or niche. Freebie to funnel, you always want to give out something free, and they teach you that and how to set that up, how to grow your Instagram if Instagram's your platform, expanding your reach, how to reach more people, how to do trial reels, how to make aesthetic content, how to film faceless content if you want to, the faceless formula if you want to do threads, how to do a threads quote page, AI, and the faceless formula. You can also pin your profits on Pinterest if you want to make a Pinterest page. It walks you through. So this course, I've went through some of the modules. You see when you're done with a video, you just check up at the top and it fills your progress bar. Some of these I've went through and some of them you can see I have not. But this program is amazing. I love this program so much. If you decide to join Create Faceless Wealth to start making yourself a faceless Instagram or a faceless Pinterest or whatever, you can click the link in the description and you can start on a payment plan for $43. Okay, the price of taking your family to Chipotle. I do offer payment plans because that makes it nicer for everyone. So now that you've picked your product, where are you going to host it? Okay. And you have to decide. I have in the link in the description, I do have a free $14-day trial of Stan Store, and it's $29 after that. Okay. So you can either host on Stan Store, you can host on Beacons, System.io, or you can create your own website and host CFW on there. Depending on which one you choose, which one's right for you. I chose Stan Store. It's very upfront. I feel like the $29 is very worth it. It shows you step by step how to hook that up. Like I said, I have a affiliate link and it gives you a free 14-day trial. So if you want to go with Stan Store, you can click the link in my bio to sign up for that. Now, we've chose our platform that we want to host CFW on, and just think about it. We get it all set up. Now what? Now you have to decide what platform you want to create content on. Is it going to be Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, Threads, Facebook? The choice is yours, but you need to choose a platform. When you choose that platform, we have what's called content banks. And let me take you over there right now. You don't have to do any of this yourself, okay? When you go into the content planning, okay, you have a hooks vault, you have a caption framework, you have a batching content module, you have a way to schedule your content, okay? So they're going to tell you how to caption your framework, what hashtags to use, what hooks to use. Now, when there is, let me see, is it, might be in the Faceless Insta Launchpad. No, I don't see it. Where is that? Let me see. Let me see if aesthetic content creation maybe. Yeah, Faceless Content Banks. They give you places to find your content banks. Okay, here's paid, here's free. Okay, and this is their favorite. All right, where I get my content for my YouTube videos and TikToks, I get it from Pinterest, and I use the Pinterest downloader. That's where I typically get all of my content backgrounds from, my videos, and all of that. So then you're posting content every day using trending hashtags, using um, your can't even think. You're posting your hooks and your caption and your trending hashtags, and you keep posting and keep posting and keep posting. You might not get sales overnight, but keep posting. The other day, I posted a YouTube video and I didn't think I was getting anywhere in this digital marketing journey. And I've only been doing this since the end of August. Okay. So not even a month yet. Okay. And I was posting and posting and posting and not seeing anything. Then one day I checked my email and it said that somebody grabbed my free course and the sneak peek into CFW, which means that I know that my content is reaching people. So that's telling you that you need to keep going because obviously people are liking what they see. You might not see results in the first 24 hours or the first 2 weeks or the first month. But when you sell products that you believe in, like CFW, when I sell CFW, I make $413 per sale. If you sell that 2 times, that's $826. Okay? For just sharing how to do something. You want to be educating. You want to teach people how to do what you're doing so that they can replicate it and enjoy what they're doing. So you've picked your niche, you've picked your product, you've picked your hosting platform, you've picked your social media. Okay. Now you need to come up with a content strategy. When you're going to post, what you're going to post, if you want to batch content. Okay. Content is the biggest pillar in this digital marketing journey that no one talks about because all of the big affiliate marketers, they want to gatekeep this for free one-on-one coaching calls. And let me just say, if you buy Create Faceless Wealth from me, I will be offering one-on-one coaching for you and one-on-one mentorship. Okay, I'll also be giving you my social media roadmap because I have a TikTok, an Instagram, and a YouTube channel in this space. I'm promoting Create Faceless Wealth on all three, and I'll let you know my results. What I did, how I did it, where I got my content from, and things like that. So you just need to focus then on building content, creating content, just like I'm doing here. Every single day, I create a YouTube video teaching my audience something. Okay. Make sure that if you like this kind of content, you subscribe and you hit the bell notification because I'm dropping videos every single day. So you can make sales with digital marketing. Are they going to come fast? Most likely no. You're brand new. But you need to keep posting because you can do it. Month 2, no CFW sales. Okay. Like 275K faceless in 22 months. Okay. People are posting their Instagram. So once you join Create Faceless Wealth, you could post your Instagram and get followers and get inspiration for posts. You never have to be worried about content because we have the resources, and that's what's so good about selling a course that you believe in and that you've went through yourself. versus just listening to these big YouTubers telling you, oh, you could start digital marketing today. Just sign up for ClickFunnels and then promote a ClickBank product. Yeah, you might get a couple of sales, but they'll probably be refunded. You know, you want to do ethical digital marketing and promote a product that you stand by. So, the products that we've talked about today are, of course, CFW, Create Faceless Wealth. You can get it in the link in my bio. Stand Store, you can sign up for a free 14-day trial with the link in my bio. My free digital marketing course is also in the link in my bio. The sneak peek to Create Faceless Wealth is in the link in my bio as well. And then for YouTube, if you want to do YouTube, I'll have the link for this as well. I'm going to do a YouTube video on this shortly, but I use TubeBuddy, TubeBuddy, for coming up with my hashtags and my content ideas and my title and my tags. If you have under 1,000 followers and you're a brand new channel, you can get it for $7.50 a month. Okay. And then once you hit 1,000 subscribers, they'll want you to upgrade, which is completely fine because at 1,000 followers and 4,000 watch hours, you will be making another stream of income with YouTube as well. So you'll have your digital marketing income. If you get people to sign up with your Stand Store link and be an affiliate for that, you'll make money off of that. And then you sign up for YouTube and get monetized on there and get paid from YouTube. And then you're getting your sales from Create Faceless Wealth. So that's 3 income streams, guys. The average millionaire has 7 streams. Okay, but if you can do videos like this teaching people and make 2 sales a day, that's more than people make at a 9 to 5. So I just hope that this video has been helpful for you guys, that you've enjoyed it, that it's helped you want to start digital marketing and know where to go and know that you can start it ethically today for $43 on a payment plan, because I do offer payment plans. I started this digital marketing journey on a payment plan, and you can too. Also, like I said, all the programs that I've talked about are in the link in the description. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification so you get notified of new videos, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Happy Monday.